Yun, sabi ng mga coaches, sabi ni Miss Erica. Balik ka para may pang-anim na. Third quarter now underway. 54-50 is the score. Global Port almost had it stripped by Tubid. Ang lima ng Global Port will have David, Washington, Mercado, Nabong, and Cummings. Gustong pigilan nila Tubid, Santos, Cabagnot, Millsap, and Fajardo.
The Global Port is coming off a very good run to close that first half, and they start off strong here in the second half.
Sinukat ni Cummings doon, si Junmar, tinignan ko sasabay, nalusutan si Millsap, and then na-posterize na. Actually, deer in headlights na si Junmar, hindi na siya makatalon doon.
Already an 11-2 run for Global Port, crossing the first half and the second half.
Millsap wanting to break their silence. 2 free throws parating para sa kanya. As we take a look at this Photon Strong Drive, nothing stronger than that. Brought to you by Photon. Empower your business.
Highlight plays para dito kay Cummings, connecting, bridging the first half and the second half.
Pero si Millsap has re-established a 4-point lead para dito sa Petron Blaze. Cummings na naman may tangan ng bola. Millsap now tasked to stop him. Nabong from the outside. No-go rebound battle. David against 2. Gary beating Tubid and Millsap sa pagkakataon niyo.
Nice to see Gary getting involved in the rebound, especially on the offensive end.
Mercado to Cummings. Goes right. Wanting to spin. Losing the leather. Arwin Santos on the breakout. Uy! Dalawa nilusutan. What a shot para dito kay Santos.
He's putting on the brakes. Pinadaan yung dalawang humahabol sa kanya sa likod.
58-52. Balik sa anim mga bante ng Petron.
Ooh, tough matchup. Jay Washington and Arwin Santos.
Cummings in trouble. Lost his dribble. They go over to Mercado. Attacking the lane. Sinalubong ni Junmar. Wanting to pass it off. Millsap takes it away. Over to Arwin. Santos with that familiar floater. Trying to go glass. Nakapagpasabit dito kay Jay Wash.
Jay Washington has his first 17 foul by Lafayette. 2 free throws. Arwin Santos.
Here's that play earlier. You know that he's super athletic, but minsan kailangan gamitin mo rin utak din eh. Doon, ginamit niya yung utak niya and his guile to be able to get through there on that fast break.
Great stopping power, ano? Dalawa umahabol. Mauna na kayo. Santos makes it 59-52 in favor of Petron. Cummings contra Millsap. Elijah extending his defense. Nabong puts it on the floor, running into a brick wall named Fajardo.
2 people on one spot. Poor spacing on the part of Global Port, leading to that turnover.
Ito yung binabanggit mo, Jay.
This was earlier. It's 2 guys trying to get position.
Grabe yung bakbakan, ano? Arwin
Last
and
part
Jay
of this
Wash.
play right there.
No love lost between these two. Nagkumustahan lang naman siguro. As Millsap drains another deuce.
After 2 points by Global Port earlier. Now it's Petron trying to get into a run once again. Their offense did slow down earlier.
Mercado on that baseline. Looking for Nabong, not expecting it. Here comes Millsap sa kabilang dulo. Cummings in front of him. Millsap, kakaliwaan pa niya. Sana niya ng bit-bit yun. Running out of control.
And Petron continues to run, but they continue to not get anything when they run. That's 13 times they've gone on a fast break. And then only 11 points to show for it. Especially in the second quarter and here in the third quarter, wherein you feel there's numbers, pero hindi na nakakuha yung puntos.
Cummings will launch it. No go. Cabagnot will track it down. Tubid on the move. Millsap asking for it. Elijah off the step back. Parang hindi lang Arwin kontra Jay Wash. Itong dalawang import, gusto may one-upmanship din, ano?
It's been a pretty battle at that spot as well.
Petron turns it over. Gary gets it to Cummings for the 2 points. Port keeping themselves within striking distance of Petron. Napang-4 na minuto lumilipas sa ating ikatlong minuto. Turnover na naman ni Millsap. Tumatakbo si Gary. Tubid on him. Gary bothered by the defense of the Fearless. Pulls up anyway. Fajardo for the rebound. Nauna na si Millsap sa kabilang dulo. Wise decision. Be patient on that play.
He's rewarded not because of effort or anything. Pero nagkataon lang, nahulog siya. And then there was a 4-shot on the part of Global Port to get him that fast break.
Mercado with a pull-up in front of Cabagnot. Si Alex.
Saul's getting his. He has his 11. Cummings is getting his as well. Meron na siyang 22. So hinahanapan pa the rest of those scorers para dito sa Global Port.
Naantay pa rin nila ang pagsabot nito ni El Granada, but he's been getting it done on the defensive end. Washington to the rack. Sumakay ka pa. Huwag ka lang malikot. Jay Washington, pinasabit na lang sa pagkakataon na yun. Ito si Ronald Tubid, earning for himself a 3-point play opportunity. Washington completes it as we send it over to Erica.
This is the first time na magtatapat si Jay Wash at ang kanyang dating team. A big game definitely, pero kumpiyansa pa rin siya dahil maganda naman daw ang pinapakitang improvement ng Global Port. He admits na kailangan pa niya ng mas mahabang panahon so he can truly be more comfortable and well-adjusted bilang batang tiyan. He claims na ang magiging sandata nila against sa magandang chemistry ng Petron ay ang kanilang matapang at malakas na fighting spirit sa gitna ng pagsubok. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Erica. Jason, regardless of what happens to Global Port, the rest of their campaign here in the Governor's Cup, if these guys stick together and get that time to gel together, gaano pa dangerous ito as arbiters say come the Philippine Cup?
It's going to be tough to say because you're looking at some of their players, some of their key players. Yes, they have some youth as well. They have some youth in that team, but also they have some guys that are on the wrong end of 30. So that's actually going to be the big question mark. How these guys will be able to take care of themselves.
Nabong rejected there by Junmar. Tubid to Junmar on the trail. Fajardo wisely kicks it back out. Tubid swings it. Planete for 3.
You mentioned it earlier. He continues to play well. Played well in the last 2 games and also been an able backup to Alex Cabagnot. When you leave him open, that's always going to be a good thing. Another good thing para sa Petron, their defense, Junmar Fajardo with the block, and the aforementioned Chico Lanere for 3.
Cine Filipino Film Festival simula September 18 hanggang sa 24. Cine Filipino, kwento ang hari. 69-59, etong Petron Blaze nakapagtayo na naman ng 10 puntos na kalamangan. Chico Lanete has been shooting the lights out of the basketball courts they have been playing in the last 3 games. Murray day 3 just moments ago. Mercado though loses him dito sa kabilang dulo. Taha to Washington. Di makabawi sa 3 na yun. Fajardo over to Lanete once again. They go up!
Can score the fast break.
Yun lang talaga problema na no? As Gary David, di makabawi. Ayaw pa rin para kay Washington. Eto na naman, papas break na naman ng Petron. Millsap, dinaan na sa ilalim ng gili-gili ni Taha yun.
If there was any question what kind of Petron team would come out today, I think the first half and portion of this third quarter, nakikita na natin, they still have their foot pedal to the metal, and they want to continue that win streak.
Talagang disconference yung Petron Blaze Euro 4 ang kanilang kinakarga sa kanilang mga tangke as we send it over to Erica.
Elijah Millsap acknowledges himself that he is a good fit for Petron with his leadership, toughness, and execution on both ends. Before, he felt the individualistic mindset of some players, but now he can say that it has totally changed as everyone is becoming more selfless and generous sa kanilang mga laro. Balik sa inyo.
Jason, okay, jam-pack, superstar-laden lineup itong Petron. Pero yung dinadala ni Millsap should really give him or make him one of the strongest contenders for best import.
First of all, the record that they have, they're 7-1 right now. Plus, he's doing everything. When you are with a winning team, usually that would mean that makakakuha ka rin ng mga individual awards.
Pull-up jumper on the catch. No good. Taha, slow to get up. Tumatakbo Petron. Lanete jumps it out. Millsap drops it back out. Dire-diretso sa kamay ni Kamingseong.
Another fast break opportunity lost.
Nanggigigil ba Petron sa puntong ito? Actually, all game long eh. Every time they get out on the run, 50-50. Di ba? Ilang pass break attempts? 50-50 kanina yun eh.
And you know, that is a boatload of attempts. To have 15 attempts at this point in terms of getting on the run. Dami nun.
Pero, 15 fast break attempts, 13 puntos lang nakuha doon. So, less than 50% pa.
And when you look at it, hindi siya pilit na mga fast break attempts. You know, they have the right personnel and the right numbers to actually score.
Gary David starting to find his range here.
First 2 points pa lang ni Gary, and he's one of the guys na sinasabi natin, kailangan pumuntos if they're going to allow Petron to continue to have a high-scoring game.
1 of 8 na itong si El Granada. Lassiter with a one-hand, too strong, rebound. Napulot na lang ni David yon. El Granada on the run once again. Has it taken away by Lanete, pero first bothered by Millsap. Kanino steal doon? Kay Millsap, kay Lanete? Lanete. Dahil na-recover naman eh. Petron abante pa rin by 10 points. Fajardo will offer the pick. Lanete lines up a 3. Keep it this stick. Lanete ulit. Overcourt dodging a couple of bullets there. As Cummings jumps it out. Mercado nagantay ng pick. Mercado down the gut of the defense. No, Taha, nothing on the follow. Millsap on the run. Washington giving chase. Millsap all the way!
Elijah Millsap has pretty much done everything. So far, he has got 14 points, 10 of them happening here. He's got 11 rebounds and 9 assists.
Wow. Sana lang triple-double na para dito kay Elijah. Kaya naman talagang napapakamot. Tag inside. Etong Cuneta sa pagpapatuloy ng ating babakan. Rudy Linganay now on the floor for the first time. Naghahanap na ng magic bullet dito si Coach Junel. Foul whistle Don Lanete. 73-61 ang nasa ating talaan. Mag-umargin po ang inyong lingkod. Kasama natin si Jason Webb, pati na rin si Erica Padilla. Sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Super Bowl Sunday dito sa IBC. Cummings looking for Linganay. 5 to work with. Marquise has to pull the trigger. Back irons that one. Rebound battle. Nahabulin ni Washington. Pero natapak na siya sa sideline bago pa niya. Hindi, sinuntok.
Yes.
Sinuntok yung bola. Mandatory timeout? Hindi pa. Among the thousands for our Super Bowl Sunday crowd, nahanap na natin ang ating mga ulala mahal na masa fans.
Wow, ang sweet!
Yan! Mula sa masarap, malaman, mura at convenient kasi easy to open ulalam ready to eat ulam. Para sa masa, mahal na masa. Ulalam, 15 pesos lang. Pag kayo ni Miko, nagsusubuan din kayo ulalam, di ba?
Siyempre naman, pag pinapadala kami.
Wala na pong 3 minuto na titira sa ating third quarter. Lassiter, tied up by Linganay. Rudy with some positive minutes here. Dehado siya dito sa lundagan. Pero look, from out of nowhere, JP Belencion on the floor. Likewise, for the first time para dito sa Global Court, securing that lead. Belencion, a 3-point specialist. the Coach Junel. Let's see if he can contribute here as Cummings is being bothered by Millsap. One-on-one coverage, hindi makalusot. Etong si Marquis. Taha's gotta go. 3 to shoot. Taha loses it to that corner. Coach Junel frustrated on their sideline. Samantala sa kabila si Coach G, pinapalakpakan yung effort ng kanyang mga bata as we send it over to Erica.
During the huddle, binulungan ako ni Willie reminding me of what he told me earlier before the game na ito ang iniiwasan nila, ang magkanya-kanya pag natatambakan. Nalilimutan daw nila mag-usap dahil nagpapanik na kaya lalong nawawala. Balik sa inyo.
A long way to go in this game. It's not really a big lead at the moment. Only a 12-point lead, but I think dyan din makikita, this is a team na ngayon rin lang naman nagsama-sama. They're getting pieces together. Just like para sa Petron, they eventually went through that maturation process and finally they get it going. Parang ganyan din sigurado sa Global Port.
Lassiter down the lane. That gives Petron the largest lead of the contest, 14 puntos, 75-61. Wala ng 2 minuto na titira sa third quarter. Millsap whistled for this foul.
Holy foul number 1 by Millsap. That's his third. 14 foul by the Blazers.
Let's see if Global Port will stick to the system. O katulad nga nung kinakatakot daw ni Willie na kinikwento ni Erica, nagkakanya-kanya na. Now they swing the leather around. Salvador attacking Kramer. Gandang magkaan yan. Kramer though gets that rebound. Salvador bothers him from behind. Mananatili ang bola sa Global Port. Belencion contra Lassiter. Loses the leather. Lassiter gets it across. Marshall kicks it out to Chico.
That's 3 straight misses para kay Lanete. 3 good looks, just not falling for him.
Linganay steps on the gas. Running out of control.
That's turnovers. Back-to-back turnovers para sa Global Port. And other than that, this unit has actually not gotten a very good shot up.
Millsap balik na muna sa bench. Sinalubong kaagad na masigabong palakpakan ng supporters ng Petronivers. Arwin ang pinalit muna sa kanya ni Coach G. Abanilla.
Move.
Bounces out though. Everything but the shot para dito kay Lutz.
Critical last minute. It's only 60 seconds, but Petron has a chance to really break this game wide open in this final 62 seconds.
Lutz misses on the first as we invite everybody na suporta ng Cine Filipino Film Festival simula September 18 hanggang 24. Cine Filipino, kwento ang hari. Uy, 2 mintis. Lalo dito kay Lutz. Belencion fought for that board. Here comes Linganay and the rest of Batang Pierre. Washington gustong atakin si Arwin. Handoff papunta kay Belencion. Quick release. JP misses. Arwin para sa board. Lutz in the lane once again. Niluwanan naman ang ring.
That's his first.
Unang personal para dito kay Salvador.
If Lutz made those earlier 2 free throws and he made that easy layup, this could be already an 18-point lead and a chance to make it 19 if it's by a 3-point play. That's what I was saying, that at last 62 seconds, Petron really had a chance to blow this game wide open.
Washington, pinagpahinga na rin ni Coach Junel. Balik sa sahig si Hans Tiele. Petron po, pagkatapos ng final buzzer ngayong gabi, tapos na ang elimination round assignments nila. They will either be 8-1 or 7-2. Regardless, they are number 1. Pagdating ng playoffs, Global Port still 1 remaining game on their schedule at kontra yan sa Barangay Ginebra. Friday, September 20, yung bakbakan na yan. Kramer finishing with the left hand. 78-61. Petron pouring it on. Sinasabayan yung ulan sa labas netong Cuneta.
Moving foul number 5, Alex Cabagno. His fourth 15 foul for the Petron Lakes Wizards.
Nagmadali din dun, ano? Itong Global Port with 4.7 seconds remaining. Now Petron is out of fouls to give. Linganay. Up and under, Rudy could not deliver. And that'll do it for the first 36 minutes of action. Ang Petron, abante po rito ng 17, 78-61. 12 minuto natitira sa ating bakbakan. Tingnan natin kung makakabalik pa ang Batang Pierre.